In a previous video, I've talked about boot clamps and which are the correct ones to use for your drive shaft. Now, with me here today, I have a drive shaft, and I want to show you what we do when you bring in a drive shaft that is leaking or that has the wrong clamps. This is a drive shaft, and the work of a drive shaft is to transfer rotation from the gearbox on one side to the wheels on the other side. So this is the linkage between the gearbox and the wheels. It has some CV joints. CV joints mean constant velocity joints. So one CV joint goes in here into the gearbox, another CV joint goes on the other end and into the wheel hub. So this drives the wheel, and on this side it's driven by the gearbox. And inside here, to allow everything to move smoothly, there's usually grease inside this boot. So you put grease in there. I'll show you the process of servicing this shaft. You put in grease there and you seal it. Okay? So this is a drive shaft, and that is the CV joint, and that is the work of the boot. The boot retains grease inside the joint so that all the things inside there can move smoothly. The grease is for lubrication, and your clamp goes here with a Caswa. So I'm going to bring you to show you the whole process of what we go through to service this shaft. Now, we've already dismantled the shaft, removed the CV joints from both ends, and cleaned inside the boots and inside the joints. We then grease it up, put grease in both boots, reinstall the CV joint, and put our clamp around it. Then we fasten the clamp around it, and that is a fully serviced CV joint. Now, on this one, we did both ends, the wheel end and the gearbox end, and that is the shaft installed with the right clamps. The boots are secure now,